They did a study about resting bitch face, right? And sexist term aside, it's actually a thing. And it doesn't just apply to women, it applies to men as well. Kanye, I'm looking at you. And the thing about this commonly referred to phenomena is that it's not just that you look bored or that you look disinterested. It's that you actually look contemptuous. What would you say, to give you an analogy, if you were having a party or you were invited to a party from a friend of a friend of a friend, and you rang the doorbell, you showed up, they opened the door, and they looked ticked off that you were there, and their expression didn't change? What would your impression be? Your impression would obviously be that they're not actually all that happy that I'm here and I don't really want to be here anymore. And if I can figure out a way, I am leaving this party ASAP. Your social media content is the equivalent of you opening the door and inviting friends of friends of friends and maybe even total strangers into your content home and nurturing and creating relationships from there. So if you are opening that door with resting bitch face, contemptuous, boredom, and maybe even a little bit of anger, what are the chances that somebody's going to stick around, that they're going to feel welcome, that they are going to want to explore your content further? Not very good. Your text, your visuals, and your words on social media are your indirect business conversations. They're your indirect conversations that you're having with your potential clients. So I noticed that I had resting bitch face when I was a news anchor. I caught my expression in the monitor and I had resting bitch face. So when I'm on camera, in order for me to just appear neutral, I have to have a slight upturn at the corner of my mouth. How do you get used to that? The way that I practiced is by reading news stories. In your case, this would apply to, video content or scripts or whatever it is that you want to say on camera, and smiling through it. No matter what you're talking about, smile as you are saying it. Now, this is not for public consumption. The idea of this particular exercise is to get you accustomed and acclimated to that sort of weird feeling of smiling when there's nobody in the room, technically, but you. Resting bitch face. Don't be a victim.